Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do some makeup and I thought it would be really fun to do a 5-minute makeup challenge. I have all my normal setup here right in front of me and we're just going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to set the timer on my phone for 5 minutes. So the makeup I'm using today is Mascara Beauty. This is my makeup palette that I use all the time. I'm just gonna do my normal routine, but I'm gonna put 5 minutes on the clock, and so let's see how fast we can do this. Okay, here is 5 minutes. So I'm not sure if I can edit and put the timer on the screen, but you'll know once I put up this video. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys periodically, or I will tell at the time. I'm gonna have the timer counting down, so hopefully you guys can hear the alarm. Okay, I actually haven't done this. I think I've done my makeup where the clock was just running and then I stopped it, but I haven't done it where the clock was counting down. So I haven't done anything to my face. The only thing I have on my face is moisturizer. So we're gonna see how far we can go and if I can finish and look decent while we do it. I was like looking for my primer. All right, mark, get set, go. Oh, okay. So we're not gonna do a whole lot of talking. We're just gonna see how fast I can do this. So that spray is actually still drying on my skin. The Wet n Wild powder is, not powder, Wet n Wild setting spray and primer is actually sticking to the makeup, so that's really good. Okay, come on. I'm afraid to look down to see if I've wasted time or not. I'm just trying to apply it in all the areas. This is really hard to talk to you guys and do this at the same time. All right, let's get this on there. Leave a comment down below. Leave a comment right now if you think I can do this in under 5 minutes. We're at 3 minutes and 40 seconds left. All right, now we're gonna do contour. I'm gonna try and do my normal. Oh, shoot. Ah, no. All right, I'm gonna try and blend. 305 left. Oh, so much better if you blend. Oh, I need more coverage. I'm actually going out after this. I'm going for a walk outside. I'm going to work, but so it needs to look decent. Okay, let's set powder. We're gonna use Wet n Wild. There's already powder in the lid. Perfect. This is what I do. There's powder flying everywhere. 2:30 left. I like to have my face set. Am I taking too much time? What am I doing? Oh, wrong side of the brush. Alright, and then I use powder bronzer. Let's just use this guy. I have like so many bronzers in front of me. This one's very pigmented, so that helps. Oh, that's not blending very well. Oh no! Alright, less than 2 minutes left. Oh shoot, I have to do brows. Alright, then I'm gonna do illuminator. Okay, brows. Okay. I'm gonna use this as my mirror. Alright, I have a minute and a half left. I think we can do this. Okay, not bad. Okay. Push this out. Any more twists? $55 seconds left. Blend. Okay, now we're gonna do eyeshadow. Did I get everything? I normally never wear blush, so if you guys are like, hey, where's your blush? I normally don't ever wear it, but you know what? We can do it. We'll put blush on. I have this right here. Blush. 20 seconds. Okay. 15 seconds. 7. There we go. That's the timer. We did it! This is so crazy. What do you guys think? Alright, so I know my highlight, which is my foundation color from Mascara Beauty. Normally around this time I have one color that evens my face and then a lighter color to actually make it match my neck, so I did not use that lighter color. So I am a little off from my face to my neck, but I do have a little bit more coverage I could probably do. My nose needs some more coverage, but I think we did pretty good. So what do you guys think? I want to challenge you guys to do a 5-minute makeup look, and you just go to your normal routine, your normal setup. You can pull things out if you want to pick out what you're going to use first, but I just kind of sat down. I do the same thing every day, and that was a little stressful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you thought that I could do it or if you thought I couldn't do it. Let me know if you guys want a 3-minute video, a 10-minute video of me doing my makeup, and I'll add more details and stuff. So I hope you guys have a good day, stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video.